Welcome to Janny Kids Ride.
Let's sing and learn today. Wake up, friends, it's lunchtime soon. Let's see what's inside with a happy tune. Healthy bites and colors so bright. Let's open our lunchbox with delight.
What's in my lunchbox? Let's take a peek. I packed it myself, just take a seat. A sandwich square, so soft and neat, with cheese and lettuce, what a treat. And look, an apple, shiny red, crunchy bites that fill my head. So juicy sweet, I take a chew. One for me and one for you.
I've got some carrots, orange and long. They help me grow up big and strong. Broccoli trees like tiny towers. Veggies give me superpowers.
Yogurt cups so smooth and white,
With berries swirled, oh what a bite. I scoop and smile, I lick my spoon. It's creamy fun that ends too soon. Don't forget my little box of fruity juice with twisty tops.
sip, 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 it's cold and sweet. A perfect match for a lunchtime treat.
And just for fun, a cookie round. It makes my lunchtime joy abound.
One small bite and then I'm done. Eating healthy is so much fun.
Can you name a fruit in your lunchbox?
Apple,
What color are your carrots?
orange,
What drink keeps you fresh and cool?
kids box.
My lunchbox is full of yummy cheer, with healthy foods to help me steer. Fruits, veggies, grains, and more. Every bite I truly adore. So let's pack lunch the Janny way, with love and health every single day. Thanks for lunching along with me. Come back soon for more food and glee.
With Janny's rhymes we learn and grow. Next time,
What's in your lunch?
let's go!